Rue, come here. Come here, honey. Hi. Say hi. Yeah, look at all the toys and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, you can live here for a while. This is your foster home. And here's your foster sisters. That's Lola. This is Emmy. Yeah, this is Ginger. Foxy's out off somewhere. But there you are. Good girl. Good girls. Good dogs. My good dogs. All right, they're fine about you now. Boy, that was fast. You're doing fine, Miss Rue. You're doing fine. They're being nice. You can sit down. That's a good girl. Good girl. She just ate a nice meal along with everybody else of kibble. She ate a whole bunch and she went out and she pooped. She's telling her to back off. Good. She handles herself. She can take care of herself. Okay.